what's going on? So this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be talking about the Stage 2 tuning by Uniq Performance. Now what I noticed is like the idle is actually really different. It's actually solid at around like 720 RPM. Alright, so I'm going to be wasting some gas while I'm talking to you guys. After $400 and like half a gas tank later, came out pretty good. So the way this tune is done is pretty simple. There's a cable that you connect to your OBD2 port, and that cable is also connected to a laptop. Now Rob, who is the man behind Uniq Performance, he's the one who helped me with this tune. He's in a partnership with another tuning company called Xclusive. Basically, this is called a remote tuning. It pulls the files off my ECU, and the ECU files is sent to a guy that is in Ottawa, who's the exclusive tuner. After maybe like half an hour after like turning off the car, turning the ignition on, turning off, blah blah blah. After that, you just go for like a pull through all your gears. Civics now. It's second gear at 4,000 RPM where your car just like gets thrown back at you. It's really nice the way this like tune was done. So benefits of the tune is throttle response has definitely changed. I love it. You can drive your car without traction control, that's another thing. Better fuel economy. What is a tune? It's supposed to wake up your car. It's supposed to remap your fuel, whatever that means, and your ignition timing and this and that and blah blah blah. But to be honest, we don't care about all that. We care about horsepower and torque. Uniq Performance Stage 2 promises 35 to 45 horsepower and 70 to 90 pound-feet of torque, which is pretty crazy. To get the most out of your tune, you want to have a few things. You want to have an intake system, you want to have an intercooler, a blow-off valve, some catch cans, a downpipe with a Highflow Cat or no cat, a catback system without any mufflers and resonators, you know, the restriction parts. And that's basically it. Those are just simple bolt-ons. One of the nice things I like about this tune, I believe all you need is an intake. And if you were to add a new component, such as like an intercooler or like a new exhaust system, you just gotta disconnect the battery, basically reset your ECU and then plug it back in, and then your ECU is gonna relearn the new components that was added, which I find is pretty cool. How insanely quick it climbed in the RPM. But yeah, as a closing remark, definitely get a tune. Definitely. That's the first thing everyone should do. If you like my content, and throw a like, hit a subscribe button, leave a comment. I'll see you next time. So peace.